Alright guys, Broncopalooza at Hand Block Ford is almost a wrap, so it is time to draw winners from our 1K sub giveaway. So first, we're gonna do the lights. I got every user who commented lights on one of these tickets. I'm gonna draw it randomly. If I select your name, reach out to us on Instagram or Facebook or however. Some of you I know in person, so it's not a big deal, and we'll get you sent out the lights. Here we go. Corbin Paquette, weekends and waypoints. You got the lights, my dude. We'll send them your way. All right, now is for the recovery kit. Jacob Nicoletti, 1940. You got the kit. All right, get a hold of me on Instagram, Facebook, message me here. We'll get those sent out to you. Thanks a lot, guys.